Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary, motivational speaker and career counselor. Today I'm here for you with a lot of vacancies. If you are a job seeker and belongs to Chennai, then these vacancies are for you. First of all, I would like to share that a lot of vacancies I'm sharing with you today. For these jobs, I don't take any kind of charge. It's a social service by me. It's just a help for the unemployed youth of India. I would like to share one more thing that I always say, don't go to the consultants. Don't go. Who take advance from you? Don't go to the consultants. Why you give advance to the consultants? Why? And I have noticed that some of you guys don't get job according to your relevancy. A lot of time I have seen this. Sometimes I noticed that you can't be successful. Sometimes you want to become an engineer and you have to do job of clerk. Sometimes you want to become an accountant and you are working like a receptionist. Why? Don't do this. This is the reason of your failures. So I request you to don't give any kind of advance to the consultants. Any kind of advance, don't do this. Otherwise, you will lose your money. You will have to waste your money. Yes, if they are providing you job first and after that they are taking some money from you, then do this. It's a business. But don't give any kind of advance to the consultants. Don't give. So if these vacancies suits you, then you can take your information in the comment section box. If these vacancies doesn't suits you, then please share these vacancies to the unemployed youth of India so that we can help them. So that we can help them to giving them some jobs if they are unemployed. Is it? So now we are sharing some vacancies. Also, you can call me at my number 9888330068. You can share your CV. You can share your personal details, profiles on my Telegram number 9888330068. After that, I will send you some links which you will have to join. After joining the links, you will get a lot of vacancies there with their phone numbers, with their email IDs. So now we are sharing now a lot of vacancies in the Chennai. If you belongs to Chennai, then these vacancies are for you. First of all, we need one commerce teacher, which you should have passed MCOM or B.Ed. We also need a teacher for mathematics. You should have passed MSc Maths and B.Ed. And timings and salary both will be discussed during interview. Must have good communication skills in English and Telugu. After that, in a college, we need assistant professor for English. Must have minimum 2 years of experience. Timings will be discussed during interview. Salaries will be discussed during interview. Must have good communication skills in English and Telugu. After that, we need one professor in a college, one lecturer in a college for English. Must have minimum 1 year of experience. Timings and salary both will be discussed during interview. In our office, we require one computer operator. Freshers can also apply. Timings and salary both will be discussed during interview, but you must have good communication skills. After that, in a lab, we need lab technician. Eligibility. If I talk about eligibility, must have minimum 6 months of experience. If I talk about timings, its timings are flexible. If I talk about salary will be 13,000 per month. After that, we need one accountant under chartered accountants. Must have minimum 6 months of experience, must have passed BCom, and you should have a lot of knowledge in Tele and Busy software. And salary will be discussed during interview. Must have good communication skills in English and Hindi. If I talk about computer skills, Microsoft Office is specialty. After that, in a school, we need librarian. Freshers can also apply, must have passed MLab, and timings and salary will be discussed during interview. Must have good communication skills in English. In a pharma company, we need medical representative. You must have minimum experience of 2 years in same relevancy. And timings are flexible. If I talk about salary will be discussed during interview. Must have good communication skills in English and Telugu. So these were some vacancies who belongs to Chennai. If these vacancies suits you, then you can take proper information in comment section. If these vacancies doesn't suits you, then you can share these vacancies to the job seekers who are in need of job, so that we can help everyone to provide them jobs. And you can also share your profile on my Telegram mobile app number 9888330068. After that, I will send you some links which you will have to join. After joining the links, you will get a lot of vacancies there. Thank you so much, guys. Be happy, be motivated, be inspired, and always be happy. Thank you.